Hello, my name is Vinay Khandelwal and I am the founder of Morecare Mobility and Rehabilitation Solutions.
At Morecare, we don't just make products. We manufacture solutions with precision, purpose, and care. With our manufacturing facility based in Jaipur, we proudly stand as one of India's trusted names in neurological rehabilitation and patient handling equipment. From raw material to final dispatch, every unit undergoes strict world-class standard quality checks to ensure strength, safety, and long-term durability. We use computerized bending, argon welding, and manual finishing, and robust assembly lines to meet exacting specifications and to enable full customization based on your needs.
Our products not just support families but also rehabilitation centers, hospitals, and therapists across India who expect world-class performance and long-term reliability from the products.
Whether it's a gait trainer for a child with cerebral palsy or a transfer aid for an elderly patient at home, every product we design is born from need, refined through real-world use, and perfected through feedback. At Morecare, we manufacture across a wide range of categories, from CP walkers and standing frames that kickstart therapy and early rehabilitation, to adaptive chairs and postural seating systems designed for home, school, or clinical use. From patient transfer chairs, bath solutions, and safe patient handling equipment, we cover the entire spectrum of daily living aids, mobility, and caregiver assistance tools. And because no two journeys are the same, every Morecare solution can be customized, from frame dimensions to accessory options, to fit each individual perfectly.
And our every product is made in India, built for global standards and designed to meet the real challenges faced by caregivers and the patients every day. But just don't take my words for it. Here's what our customer have to say.
हम लोग तो कभी सोच ही नहीं सकते कि एक फैक्ट्री के अंदर आके इतनी इज्जत से इतने बिठाना करना सारा सामान इतना रीजनेबल रेट के अंदर.
The product was made absolutely on time. The product which we were expecting were beyond our expectation. He was very helpful.
जो उनकी रिक्वायरमेंट थी, इनके पास सारे सॉल्यूशंस हैं उसके लिए.
जिस पर्पस से मैं आई थी मुझे बहुत यानी अच्छा लगा प्रोडक्ट.
पेशेंट लिव की क्वालिटी और उनकी सर्विस इज वन ऑफ द टॉप नॉच इन द कंट्री में बोलूँगा. मैंने
बच्चे को चलते हुए देखा तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मेरा बच्चा अब चल सकता है.
We found what we are looking for.
At Morecare, we believe that mobility is more than movement. It's about freedom, dignity, and quality of life.
And I truly believe that every caregiver deserves the tools that makes their work easier, safer, and more effective. So, if you are looking for the right solution with the right intent and the right support behind it, you are already in the right place. Choose wisely. Choose Morecare.
We're here to understand your needs and guide you to the product that's right for your care journey.